Welcome to BAMvfx. I'm Joshua. This is BAMvfx, and this is making a YouTube channel in 2020. Alrighty, first thing you gotta do, you gotta meander your way over to the good old YouTubes. If you've already created an account, so you can like and make comments on a video, real easy from here. Just in the upper left, you'll have an icon, and then you want to go to your channel. But let's just say, well, starting from scratch, you are starting from scratch. You just come on up to the good old sign in button, and then you put in an email and go from there. And if it's Google email, it's going to ask you for your password. If not, it's going to have you create a password. And then you'll be able to get to here, where we said before. So, like we said earlier, you want to go up to your channel. Now, we've got all this stuff to do. I wouldn't recommend uploading a video yet. I recommend getting all your settings squared away first. So the first place we want to go is settings, and we'll just make sure everything is the way we want it to be set up. So let's see, your channel, let's edit on Google, and then we're gonna want to change that icon out because it is not what we want, not in the least. So let's find ourselves a good, humble logo. File hunting. Okay, so that's really all we needed to do here. You see at the bottom it says profile picture uploaded. It will take some time for changes to appear anywhere or everywhere. Got it. Google's a little slow on some things. Not much you can do about that. And okay, so you can see in the upper right hand side, that has changed. That's all set up. Channel status and features. Okay, so this is going to tell you how you hear us YouTubers cry all the time about copyright strikes, things like that. This is how you see the health of your channel. And you can see all these fun little things down here that we are ineligible for because we are a brand new channel. Brand new. And then you can see, like, if you want to custom your URL, you can pull up and get all the details. That way you can set yourself up some goals and take each milestone one at a time. And then add and manage your channels. So look at all of these other channels we've got. Add and manage your channels. That's if you were wanting to do multiple channels, you can go to each a different setting. Let's go to advanced settings. Is there anything we need in here? In advanced settings, if you change your mind, in advanced settings, this is where you can delete your account. Now, up here on the left, we have some other settings we can check out. Let's go to, if you're just an account, let's go to notifications. Now, this is absolutely lovely. You can turn off the browser notifications. This applies to the cell phone as well. And this is all up to you. Your subscriptions, recommended videos. If you don't want to see what YouTube recommends while you're watching, you can turn all that off. And obviously you want to keep activity on my channel. That's if somebody comments, you get a notification, things like that. Yeah. Activity, replies, mentions, activity on other channels. I prefer to get emails as well, just in case I miss the notification. It's a little redundancy because certainly if you're starting a new channel, you want to engage with your audience as much as possible to get those subscribers. And then there's your viewing options as well for notifications. Now let's go to playback performance. Yep, so you can turn off those little info cards if you want. You can turn off the captions, things like that. And I wouldn't mess with the AV settings. Privacy, this is a good one. Keep all my saved playlists private. I want to keep that on, but I want to open up my subscriptions. That way when you subscribe to somebody and they go, "Who subscribed to me?" They look and they see your channel. And then they go, "Hey, let's go check them out. I think I'll subscribe to them as well." So I've not had that on. I've had that off for a long time, even on my other channel. I need to fix that. Now, this is something new I've found. Connected accounts. So if you're a gamer, I would keep an eye in this section if you want to connect your gaming account. For me, it's irrelevant. Watch on TV, I don't think there's anything we need to worry about that. Okay, here you can get YouTube subscription service and this premium, that's great. It removes the ads from YouTube. All the ads. So those people that make tutorials and have a million ads on them, I can watch them without interruption. It's very nice. It's completely 180 my YouTube experience, and for me, that's worth it. Especially because I'm on it so much. Okay, and now that the housekeeping is out of the way, we come up here and let's go back to your channel. And now we want to go to customize channel. Okay, so first thing you see is you got the Homes tab open. It lets you know, hey, you've got nothing on here. What are you gonna do about it? Let's see what this ad section is. Select content. Okay, so this is where you can put your playlist, recent activities, recent posts. You can put, and that's what's gonna show up when people go and they check out your channel. So a lot of people like to do uploads for popular videos, things of that nature, and you can, customize the way that looks, and it even gives you a little preview there. But if you don't have any content, it's got nothing to preview. Next tab over, that's where your videos are gonna be. And then here we've got a playlist, and later on down the road I might make a playlist video and how to utilize them for your channel. Actually, while we're here, we go old ski digital sketchbook. Alright, create. Awesome. Okay, and then next we've got channel. This content doesn't feature any other channels. Discussion. Oh, that's new. That's new. Alrighty. BAMvfx. Let's see. Hello, YouTubes. We I look forward to sharing the art with this awesome community. Okay, this is a new one to me. Yeah, there we go. And then the about section. Okay, so very important. You want to add a channel description.
Is depleted.
So let's see. In 2020, BAMvfx decided to move its art content to this dedicated channel to all the art. I appreciate you stopping by. Definitely check out the digital sketchbook. Check out the digital sketchbooks and the mixed media arts. Thanks, Dan. And thanks, Dan, for more content. Check out the webzone. And then down here we've got links. Overlay first. 5 custom links on channel art. So let's go add. Link title. BAMvfx webzone. And we come over here and grab the URL to the website. Most importantly, especially if you have content, if you have a bunch of paintings, if you have a bunch of social media, have a website, and we'll get real close to WordPress tutorials. I mean, I can't stress that enough, because I've seen MySpace, the rise and fall of MySpace. I've seen, people don't use Facebook like they used to use Facebook anymore. And when you just invest in one social media platform, tides change. Like, I even have a backup plan if something were to ever happen to YouTube. So it is imperative that you have a website. I prefer WordPress, but you could go with other means as well. Since the fall of 2019, I've been looking at things differently. I used to, make a post for a social platform, but now I view it more like, okay, let's make content for the website, and then from the website, share it to all these social platforms. I mean, that's driving traffic to you, and that's what you want. Because you want people to not just watch one video or read one blog. You want to send people on a journey down a rabbit hole where they can explore all of your content. And if people are staying on YouTube will eventually might recommend somebody else's channel, then they're not watching your content. If you have a hub where your fans can go, it greatly benefits you. So later on down the road, a video for another day is building a WordPress website. So hit that sub button. So now that we got the URL, paste that in place. And this seems like a mundane thing, but probably the most important thing right here to do. And then we clickety-clack that done button. WebZone. Cool. Now, time for the fun stuff. The channel art. But that's gonna be the next video. Okay. So, most important is the WebZone. Let's, can we add a link? I thought it said we could have 5 links. Okay, yeah, we can add a link. So, certainly add your favorite social media. So I am most active on the Twitter these days. Always subject to change, but I just, it's been doing its thing for a while. I don't know, I just like the interactivity with the Twitter. And you know, Facebook is a little bit doxy. You can just, I don't want weird people finding out too much information, and that's why I use Facebook less and less. I do use LinkedIn, but I think we're just gonna stick with the Twitter, stick with the website. You can find everything else through the website. Alrighty, now we get to the fun stuff. We actually get to design something really cool, and we're gonna design it in Photoshop using a master template, and that is your channel art. So the channel art is a unique monster into itself. It's a good thing, but you can see up here where it says add your channel art, there's a picture of a laptop, a picture of a television, and a picture of a mobile phone. But what you're doing is you're putting up one piece of channel art. So a lot of people struggle with this, getting things aligned correctly. So in the next video, we're going to go over using a master template so that you can get everything just right, load the proper picture. And I've created a Photoshop file, PSD file, that you can download over on my Patreon, or also it's available for purchase over at the website. And then sometimes on Flash Friday freebies over on the website, I will put up free design assets for people to download. And it might be in there because I'm going to be putting this one up there frequently. And on this master template, it's not just for YouTube channel art. It's got most of the socials. It's got a Facebook banner if you need to create a Facebook banner. It's got the Instagram square, so you can drag and drop in there. You've got yourself the Twitter banner size and YouTube thumbnail. So I use this master file where if I gotta post across a bunch of different platforms, I can bring in a picture, size it up to a YouTube thumbnail, and then also bring that same picture over and drop it into an Insta size. I can, you know, scale it up, scale it down. That way, across the board on all of social media, you know, I can make posts all in one shot versus, you know, having a million separate other files. And we will show you how to use that master file in the next videos. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. Check out this art channel we're building. It's going to be a real channel. I'm posting all of my art over there. So, you know, once this is all done, go over there, check out all my cool art. Check out the webzone. Outside of that, you be the best you that you can be. Take it easy. Later.